Mochi. Warabi-Mochi is Japanese confectionery wagashi and it has mochi-like, jelly-like texture, and you have to use Warabi-Mochi powder to make the authentic one, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make it with starch, and many people in Japan do this at home and say good, so I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Let's make the mochi part first. If you don't have green tea, you can use water, but the green tea can remove the starchy smell, so it is better to use it. Mix all the ingredients in a pot. Put on medium and stir constantly until translucent and thick. Mine took about 3 minutes. Now when it becomes completely translucent, stop the heat. Mix very well for a minute to mix evenly and let cool until not too hot to handle. Now spoon it into a bowl of ice water to cool completely. You can't put it in the fridge because it will get hard. Now let's make the coating. Mix the ingredients very well. Spread it on a plate. Then dust with the mixture. Serve on a dish and top with Kuromitsu if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Kiのこじゃないよね。きなこをたっぷりかけました。いただきます。これはっきり言ってめちゃくちゃ美味しいです。If you don't have soybean powder, you can use Milo. I'm going to try it with Milo. 絶対これ美味しいと思う。いただきます。You know what? I know you're gonna ask me if you can keep this in the fridge. No, you can't. You can't keep this in the fridge because it will get really hard. So you can keep this at the room temperature. I made this yesterday and I kept at the room temperature and it is still good. So if you're having any party or whatever the event on the next day, you can make it day before. So I hope you enjoy it.